Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear student, in today's class we are going to learn about the grammar part, that is connectors. You can say that conjunction also. So we already learned that connectors, and it should be divided in three types again, that is subordinate, then cooperative and correlative. Okay, so here just see connectors. So connectors, what is the connector? Okay, so connectors is something which joins two words or two phrases or two ideas or two sentences. So connectors, that something, okay, which joins two words, even it joins two phrases, or even it joins two ideas or two sentences, all called as connectors. There are, suppose A sentence is there and B sentence is there. Suppose we want to connect these both sentences, that time we have to use some words that are called as connectors. Okay, here connectors, for example, see, London is a very exciting city. Okay, here nevertheless it is also very expensive, or despite the fact that London is very expensive, it is also very exciting. So here London is a very exciting city, even nevertheless it is also very expensive. These two different words are there, yes, different sentences are there, okay, separate. So we can write directly here, and we, by using and, we can connect these two sentences. Let's see types of connectors. So there are these connectors are divided again into different types. So here see, coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction and subordinating conjunction. Okay, these three types are there. So let's see one by one. So coordinating conjunction, which are, yes, they connect words, even phrase and clause, word to word, phrase to phrase and clause to clause. We already learned in the class. Yes, they are usually found in the middle of the sentence with a comma. Okay, they have middle in the sentence with the comma they are mentioning there, and just before the conjunction, we are putting the comma, so we can call it conjunction or connector, or at the beginning of the sentence, and sometimes it should be at the beginning of the sentence also. Here coordination conjunctions are there. See, which one I already taught you, that is fan boys. So short forms are there. So F means for, A means and, N means nor, B means but, O means or, Y means it, and S means so. So there are these 7 coordinating conjunction. Coordinating. Oh, compulsory before these conjunction we have to put the comma. Yes. So for exam also this conjunction will become only coordinating conjunction. Okay. So remaining we have to learn only. See. Next, the second one, the correlative conjunction. Okay, correlative conjunction, which are they? Yes, what they can do? They connect equal sentences element or equal sentence elements together, like two noun or and are always composed by two words. Suppose two nouns are there, they are collecting together. Okay, so that we are calling it correlative. Okay, because relative means both are like a together we are using. Here examples are there, correlative conjunction. See here, both and, not only but also, not but, either or, neither nor, whether or as. Okay, so these are correlative because in one sentence these both we are using correctly because correlatives are there. Yes, so these are called as correlative conjunction. Next, third type is there, subordinating conjunction. So this subordinating conjunction we already in where we learn, yes, in the clause. Okay, subordinate clause, main clause, in that we already learned. So subordinate conjunction, what they can do, they connect a dependent clause and an independent clause and establish a relationship between them. They happen at the beginning of a sentence with a comma in the middle separating the clause, or in the middle of the sentence with the no comma. So sometimes we are using here dependent clause and independent clause means which one? Yes, main clause and subordinate clause. So here we are using in between, showing the relationship between these two clauses. Got it? So these are called as subordinating conjunctions. So here examples are there of the subordinate conjunction. See, after, if, though, although, if only, till, as, in order that, unless. Okay, we can say like that also. We can see as if, now, that, until, as long as, once, when, as though, rather than, here whenever, because, since, where, before, so that, whereas, even if, then, wherever, even though, that or while. So these all are called as subordinate conjunction. We already use in the clause, main clause and subordinate clause, we already use this conjunction. Yes, so hope you all understood. Now one example I will show you, okay, each every clause. So here few examples of the coordinating conjunction. Okay, so what is mean, once again I will tell you. This is one type of conjunction, that is coordinating conjunction, which gives equal importance to the words or sentences that is connect. So this we already fanboys we learn. So here examples are there. I like coffee, comma, but my wife prefers tea. Would you prefer coffee or tea? Yes. I have drunk 6 cups of coffee today, so I have got a headache. Again examples are there. I take milk and sugar in my tea. He's 72, yet he still swims, runs and play football regularly. One more example. She must have been very hungry, for she ate everything immediately. Switzerland is not in the European Union, comma, nor it is or is it a member of NATO. Okay, NATO, NATO. So here you just observe it. Before every conjunction there is a comma. Okay, here sometimes they are not giving. Okay, but in few conjunction there is a comma before the conjunction. So these are the examples of the which one? Coordinating conjunction. Now we have to see the examples of another one. Let's see. So here some examples of their subordinate conjunction. That is, see, when I got my test back, I was very happy. Before I went bed, I listened to my iPod. Although I failed my test, I was still proud of myself. Until my mom came to pick me up, I would wait at the school. I told my friend I could not go to her house because I was going skating. Next here examples. I wanted to get a huge TV, but I only got a flat screen. Billy, Bob and Robert went to get ice cream, but it was all sold out. Sana got scared when she saw a ghost, so Sana ran far, far, far away. Ben thought he was being funny, but he got a detention. So these are examples of subordinate conjunction. Got it? Now we have to see the examples of correlative conjunction. So here examples are there, either or, neither, not, these all are correlative. Okay, because the pairs, we are using this by pair. See here, we can go to either Muri or Kaghan Naran, okay, for our holiday. These are the places. Next one example here, both and. So both cricket and football are popular in ComSats. Okay, here both English and Urdu are spoken in ComSats. Here not only but also see here. Not only he is a professional footballer, but he is also a successful businessman. Not but. So here say example, in sport what counts is not the winning but the taking part. Okay, one more example, neither nor. Neither Norway nor Switzerland is in the European Union. Marriage is neither heaven nor hell. It is simply, okay, what? Purgatory. Okay, purgatory. Here see. Whether whether you love them or hate them, you have to admit that the Rolling Stones are very popular. I am totally confused. I don't know whether I am coming or going. No sooner than. No sooner than means what's here? No sooner had I finished watering the garden than it started raining. So here examples are there. Okay. So these all are examples of the separate conjunction. So for your exam only, which one is there? Coordinating. Okay. Coordinating conjunctions are there for your exam. That is a fun, boys. You can keep in the mind shortness. So what you have to do after watching this video, you have to write down examples of the coordinate conjunction. Okay, coordinate conjunction I already told you, that is fun, boy. Okay, so you have to write it at least one example for each and every means that coordinate conjunction. Got it? Okay, hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.